everyone, this is Miss Adler, and I'm going to do the aquarium, which is an activity as a perspective, which we are going to be making something three-dimensional on a two-dimensional space, and we're going to use the entire page. So we just need a pencil, no eraser unless you draw extremely light, and if you have a long enough ruler or straight edge. Otherwise we're just going to draw by hand, and I am going to draw a diagonal line going from one corner to the opposite section with just freehand. So now we're going to think about perspective, and you may not see it yet, but you're going to see a long road going to infinity, and these are going to be our windows. This is going to be the floor. I'm going to draw from the middle tip all the way down, just a straight horizontal vertical line. And then I'm going to draw two lines, one on each side. So I'm going to draw, that's how much room I have. 1, 2, and they're diagonal. And I'm going to draw straight horizontal lines, and they're going to be parallel. They're not crossing over each other except for those diagonal lines for my disco floor. Now on each side here, I'm going to draw 2 or 3 lines that are vertical. 1, 2, and if you want to draw a third, 3, 1, 2, 3. And you can always draw another one inside, make it look like the walls are going further down. But you're going to take each line and you're going to draw a curved line connecting those two. And I'm drawing pretty light, so I'm not using, or just not afraid to make a mistake. So now I have this setting for my aquarium. This area here is my floor going into infinity. This is the whole area where you can put any type of fish or animal or alien or spaceship that you want. I'm going to draw sea life. So I'm going to draw an oval and a U. And then I'm going to draw the fin of my turtle. They're just U shapes, and then I can make those textures if you want, or you can do the checkers, or if you want to make it more realistic. We are not rushing, we are not racing through our drawings. We're doing the best we can, and I'm going to draw another teardrop. Maybe I'm going to have a school of fish here. And what else? I'm going to draw a jellyfish. This is tentacles. You can have an octopus. You look like aliens. We can have seaweed. So you're setting a scene for your aquarium. You can always do sharks, bubbles, anything you want. So now, once you're setting your aquarium, then you can go in and color and outline. So it makes everything pop. So I'm going to make my floor a checkerboard. And again, I think I'm going to quiet down now and finish my drawing. Finally, I'm adding watercolor or the food dye to my crayon drawing and to show a crayon resist. And that is the final part of the aquarium. A lesson in perspective. Thanks for watching.